Welcome to Bridgeland in Cypress, Texas. Thank you for joining me again. My name is Wale Lawal. I am a real estate agent and a new construction expert in the Houston, Texas area. If you're looking to move to Houston, I would like to be a source of resources for you to leverage on. So if you're new to my channel, please make sure to like it, subscribe, and click the bell so I can let you know anytime I have a new video. So today I'm going to be showing you this beautiful model home by Newmark Homes. This is in Bridgeland, Texas, and Bridgeland is in Cypress, Texas. So it's a subdivision in Cypress, Texas. So this home is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, 3-car garage. Very beautiful. You're going to see what it has to offer here. Now, why is Bridgeland? I'm also going to let you know why you should buy in Bridgeland if you're looking to move. Come on in, let's go. Martin is a sales consultant here in Bridgeland, Texas. So he's going to be telling us why we should buy in Bridgeland. Martin, why don't you tell us?
Thank you very much indeed. This is Frederick Harris Homes, which is the custom section of Newmark Homes. The great thing about Bridgeland, it is now the #1 master community in the whole of Houston. We have 3 separate areas, 70-foot, 45, and our custom section. I look forward to the opportunity of meeting you and helping you in your decision for a new home. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Schools are great. You will see everything you want in this community. It's about 18 miles to downtown Houston. If you're looking to move to Houston or you're already in Houston and you want to buy something nicer, I would strongly advise you consider Bridgeland, Texas. I have a lot of new homes inventory. I can help you and help your family. So please make sure to reach out to me. I would love to help you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I put a lot of videos here to help someone like you to make a better decision. So if you're looking to stay in touch with me, I would say subscribe to my channel and let's see how we can help each other. Thank you. Bye-bye.